Hi everyone. Welcome to Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In today's class we will be learning some important terms in HTML. So what do we mean by HTML? HTML, which is Hypertext Mark-up language, is nothing but the basic language used to design a static or dynamic web page. So what's a web page? A web page is nothing but the individual pages present in a website. Website is formed by combining multiple web pages. Let me show you an example. So, this is Libre Computers website, which consists of multiple web pages. As you can see, in order to visit next web page in the website, we click on a button, which is nothing but the link for next web page. Next we came across the term called static and dynamic web page. What does static web page mean? A static web page consists of fixed content, which means the output shown to the user will not change unless and until the main code is modified. For example, this particular website, which is an informational website, consists of multiple pages linked to one another, but there is no action that is done here, except for the order online page, which is dynamic. Nothing is stored in the pages of a static site. There are no users, no comments, no blog posts, no interactivity. Whereas, a dynamic web page consists of pages coded with scripting languages, along with HTML, which allows the web page to perform various tasks assigned to it. For example, in this website, which is a well-known e-commerce website, the first thing that you come across is login section, which is used to identify the user. Next, when check for the products, the rates changes when the data is changed at the back end. One does not have to modify the code in order to get the required result. Next important part of HTML are tags. They are special formatting commands, interpreted by the browser. Each HTML tag describes that the browser should do something, instead of simply displaying the text. Tags are written inside the angle brackets. For example, this is a paragraph tag, used to define a block of text as a paragraph. It is one of the basic tags you should learn properly. When a block of text is surrounded by the paragraph tags, the browser automatically adds white space before and after the paragraph. Tags are again classified into two types. 1. Container, or pair tags. If the text is placed between a tag and its companion tag, which are referred as opening and closing tags, is said to be container tag. Example, paragraph tag. 2. Empty, or singular tag. This has only opening tag. It does not have companion tag. Example, break tag, which is used to break a line and continue on a new line. Next is an attribute. So what is an attribute? An attribute is used to define the characteristic of an element and is placed inside the element's opening tag. For example, in this, the content Libre Computers, given inside the paragraph tag, will be aligned in the center of the web page. This is the attribute and this is value of the attribute. There are many different types of tags and attributes, which we will be learning in the following lessons. With this, let us end this session, hoping to meet again next time. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.